Fenvio TrueTone pH Adjusting Lipstick. Now this lipstick claims to read your body's chemistry to give you your perfect custom shade. They also say it's moisturizing, clean, vegan, lasts all day, and even that one tube can replace over 10 lipsticks. Sounds pretty amazing, right? But is it really safe to shop for? Let's find out together. First, let's talk about the reviews. The brand claims they have over 64,000 happy customers and a 4.9 star rating. But here's the problem. All the reviews look overly positive. There's not a single negative rating, which honestly feels suspicious. Because let's be real, no product in the world is loved by everyone. So we decided to check places like Trustpilot and Reddit for more genuine feedback. And the story there was completely different. On Trustpilot, Fenvio only has a 2-star rating, and most reviews are negative. People complained about the product quality, refund issues, and even being signed up for subscriptions without their consent. That's a big red flag. Next, let's look at their credibility. The website proudly claims they were featured in Vogue's Beauty Game Changers 2025. But guess what? There's no link, no proof, nothing to back it up. They also throw around names like Marie Claire and Women's Health, again with zero evidence. To me, this feels more like a cheap marketing trick than actual recognition. Here's another concern. Fenvio says their lipstick is dermatologist tested, but the images of doctors on their website, they're AI generated. And the names, completely fake. That's extremely misleading. If they can't even provide real medical professionals, how can we trust anything they say? Now let's talk about the stats they throw around. They claim that 98% of people said their lips changed to the perfect natural shade, and 97% said their lips were instantly hydrated. But there's no proof of where these numbers came from. No clinical data, no studies, no third-party testing. Honestly, these numbers just feel made up to make the product sound better than it is. And finally, the urgency marketing. You've probably seen the phrases, "Sale ends tonight," "Buy 2 get 2 free," "Limited time only." These are classic high-pressure tactics designed to make you buy on impulse. Add to that their bold claim that one tube replaces 10+ lipsticks, and it all starts to sound a little too good to be true. So after looking at everything, fake-looking reviews, false media claims, AI-generated doctors, made-up statistics, and pushy sales tricks, Fenvio really doesn't come across as a trustworthy brand. The lack of transparency and all these misleading tactics make the product look unsafe to buy. And that's our honest take on Fenvio TrueTone Lipstick. What do you think? Would you try this product, or does it seem too risky? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this one.